Hello students, welcome back in a new session. So, in this session we will discuss looping statements or iterative statements. Looping statements are used to execute coding for given number of times. Suppose if we want to add any number in the multiple forms, just like any number table, then we must use the looping statements. So there are two loops which is used inside the Python, which are for loop and while loop. We will discuss one by one. So in for loop we use it for sequences, or we can say if we want to execute the code for given number of times, then we have to prefer for loop. For example, we want to print welcome to Python message for 100 times, then for loop is best loop because sequence of execution is existing. It is 1, 2, 3 up to 10 times. We just apply the conditions inside the parenthesis and the process will begin itself. For programming terms, we use for loop I in one keyword, that is range. In this, so here range is the function. It is an inbuilt function in Python which returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 and increments to 1 until it reaches a specified number. The most common use of range function is to iterate the sequence type. It is the most common used in for loop as well as in some other while loops. Here we apply the values, basically ranges, and this is the message which is to be printed in terms of the variable I. So here we have the output. Welcome to Python 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100 numbers. So this is a real environment in which I have written one line of statement that for I in range of 1 to 101. To print the 100 values, we will have to specify the last value greater than 1 of the previous number, that is 101. Now print welcome to Python, and this is the I variable. So when we run this program, you will find the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so this is simple process by which we apply the for loop statement using the range function inside the Python programming. Now we discuss the second one, that is while loop. Now the second loop is the while loop. This loop is based on condition, so it is called as condition based loop. So for example, we have one variable that is ans, So we compare this ANS is equal to yes. So now we use the while keyword. ANS equals to yes. Here we compare ANS to yes. And in this, we just moving the value a yes into ANS variable. Now we take the value from the user side. So a equals to int of input of enter first integer, and b equals to int of input of enter second integer. Now we print the value. So print sum equals to a plus b. Here sum is the variable which contains the additional value of a plus b. Now ANS equals to input of do we want to continue, yes or no. This statement basically provides the user to take the input as a yes or no. So after pressing the yes or no, that yes basically shifted into this ANS, and now this ANS will be stored this yes or no, which will contain from here, and again the condition will be checked here. So an ANS is equivalent to yes, then again it will take the value. So again we take the two values from the user side and print the sum of addition of these two values. Now after that, again we take the input one string statement from the user side in terms of yes or no. If the user will press or enter the no, then the control will be comes out from the program. Now move to the real environment where we apply this program and see the output. So I have written this program in the batch mode environment, and now we run this program after saving it. So here we have run module. So here we have asking the first value from the user side, that is 10, second value that is 20, then after it will print the sum of 10 20, that is 30. Now the message will be displayed, do you want to continue? If I print here yes, then again it will ask the value from the user side for first integer, that is, suppose I am writing here 20, and it next it will ask the second value, that is 40. Now it will print the value, that is 60. Now again it will ask the confirmation from the user side, yes or no. So I will, if the user will print no, it will comes out from the program. So if the user will enter yes confirmation again and again, then the program will be printed and will be comes in the looping side. Okay, that is the benefit of for loop and while loop. Okay, that's all for this video.
I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.